Welcome back to the Forensics Detailing channel. Very quick one today, guys. Picked up a couple of new test panels down here. That blue one and a white one that is off, I think was off an 06 plate Transit Connect. And that the white one, the underside of it has got like, what, like 13, yeah, the old maths kicked in, 13 years of oil and grease on the underside of it, and I'm going to be handling that panel, so I just wanted to get the underside of it clean so that every time I pick it up and stuff like that, I'm not going to have black rubbish all over my hands. So just a very quick video, guys. It's the sexy detailing shot opportunity that I couldn't miss. A filthy underside of a car bonnet. Normally with something that bad, you would go and hit it with a type of degreaser that's not water-based, I think, that's carried in a solvent, just because it's going to be stronger. But I don't want to detail it, I just want to get 99% of the muck off. So good old-fashioned Koch Chemie Greenstar, the thing that if it moves it can clean it, that you use at 10:1 really is the maximum concentration I use it at, although you could go, I could have gone a little bit higher than this, and the litre of it costs a fiver. So I can mix up a 500ml bottle and it cost me 25p. As soon as this stuff hits even that thick grease, it starts breaking it down, dissolving it enough to get that panel as clean as I need to do it, using just a couple of simple brushes, aka the Megatron. And if I don't mention about the Megatron, where it comes from, someone's going to ask. It came from a cheap Chinese shop in Lanzarote and it cost me like a quid or something, I can't remember, a couple of quid, and it's rubbish. It's all rotten and stuff like that, guys, so don't get too excited because it looks cool. It's just a brush and just a normal you know, hog's hair brush to just work it. And I've gone over the panel and this stuff does a fantastic job. So the question is not, why should you use Koch Chemie Greenstar when it costs you like 20 to 25p to mix up a little sprayer bottle of it to use? The question should be, why aren't you using it? That's it for this one, guys. Over and out.
Holding on to what I knew, but the moment's gone. Where was I when